Hello guys and gals, welcome to One Ahead of Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys find this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like this video, and if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks, go ahead and check out the playlist in the description below. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change the ringtone on the Note 8. So first thing we're going to want to do is go into settings. The easiest way for me to get into settings is slide down from the top, the black portion, slide down, or the colored portion. You might have a white screen. I have a black one, so I slide down from there and I get this screen, and right up the top right hand corner you will see a little options, little settings button, so go ahead and select that and it takes you to your settings page. And from here what we're going to be looking for is the sounds and vibrations, so there you guys have it. Select it, and from here a little about halfway down you will see there is a ringtone option, so I'm just going to go ahead and select that. I currently have the ice cream one selected, and the default one might sound something like this for AT&T devices, possibly this. There's another AT&T one, so whatever, you could pretty much set it to whatever you want. And there's also gives you the option to add one from your device. So if you wanted to add a song, you can trim it down to get it into that time frame for a ringtone, and you could set it there as well. So once you have it set, all you have to do is just hit the little back button, and as you guys could see, it had changed my ringtone to Skyscraper. So that is how you change the ringtone on the Note 8. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you and somebody needs help, go ahead, share this with them, let them know there is an answer for their problems. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.